What's up, guys? We are back in the Nissan Altima, finna get this thing all cleaned up because I have a feeling it's gonna hopefully sell today or within the next couple of days. So I just want to have this thing cleaned up so when it does, we don't have to do much of nothing. We just have to go show it and then it's sold. So let's head to the car wash really quick and get this thing all shined up and ready to go. Hopefully this is the last car wash we have to do on this thing, because I'm tired of seeing it, to be honest. This was probably the worst buy I ever bought from Copart. Even when I had the Tahoe truck or Yukon truck or whatever it was, I still had the title and could sell it. So this is literally the hardest car I've ever bought and had to sell from Copart. So let's try to change that around, man. Let's try to get this thing sold. What's up, guys? We are back, and if you see what I see, we have an empty parking stall. That's because, if you can guess, yeah, I'll give you a sec. Okay, yeah, the Altima has been sold. It is no longer here, and we will be doing a price breakdown of what we spent and how much we made and whatever the case may be. So yeah, we are back with a quick update, man. The Altima is gone, dude. So we actually had the car for longer, way longer than I expected, man. But you know, sometimes it happens, and you know, that was kind of my mistake because I was bidding on the car and I wasn't paying attention to the bill of sale parts only title. Now, there's a few things with that bill of sale parts only title. You are able to register that car. However, you have to apply for a bonded title. And you know, that may take a few months if you're in, like, you know, a state like this, Nevada. However, you can go to California, and it'll be like, since California has like the electronical DMV system, it should be pretty instant. So I just didn't really want to deal with all that. So basically, we sold it as a parts car, and somebody came and actually paid $1,800 for it. $1,800 for a 2012 Altima running and driving is a freaking great deal. It's a steal no matter what the title is, right? So let's talk about what we got it for. If you guys seen in the original videos, we paid I want to say, what, $850. We won the car for $850. After taxes, it came out to $1,198. And then we had to ship the car, which was like $300. So we literally we pretty much didn't really make any money. Of course, we had to get the windshield and the rear window. That was $225. So that's $1,198 plus $300 plus $225. That's like 17 something. Now, if you add that all up together, we only made $77 out this Altima. It's freaking crazy because, yeah, we kept it and got the title. We could have made like at least 35 to like maybe 4,500, maybe even 5. Also, guys, take into consideration, when I first won the Altima for $850 and I realized it was the title, it was going to be either if I didn't want the car, I was going to lose about $550. If I would have bought the car, I was taking a chance. So, you know, I was like, forget it. I already lost $550 technically. So I might as well buy the car and at least try to make my money back. So that's actually what we did. So, I mean, I'm not upset. I mean, you know, it could have been worse. I couldn't have made nothing at all. So, you know, that's just how it goes sometimes, especially when you're not paying attention like me. You know, honestly, I sold it for a quick sale. I wasn't really trying to hang on to it anymore just because I don't want to keep all my marbles in one sack. I'd rather dish it out and try to get something else that I already know. So now it's time, when we go back to Copart, you know, you have to pay attention to the titles. That's a really big thing on the auction cars on there. Pay attention to the titles because that's something I didn't do. So, you know, I didn't really get to make any money on there, but we did make our money back. So that's always a plus, man. That's always a plus. Even if you made $1 or $2, you made something. So I made $77 on that Altima. Nothing at all. Nothing what I was expecting, but we actually got a couple of higher offers However, I just didn't want to drive all the way 300 miles to go get it, and then just chance it, you know, breaking down on the way, which I don't think it would have. It was a great running car, but I just, you know, you just don't want to do that. But we did make a little money, so I'm excited to get it off my hands and, you know, on to the next project. So yeah, guys, I hope my learning experience was something you can learn on as well. So pay attention to the titling, pay attention to all the stuff on Copart that you really need to look at, like salvage title, clear title, bill of sale, parts only, because if you don't, it will come back to bite you in the end. So as always, guys, it's going to be a wrap. Peace.